Good evening students, welcome back to my channel. So today I shall be discussing for HS first year classes. Okay, so unit number 3 I shall be discussing, okay, which is recording of business transactions. So here you see I have written the points. The first, okay, the first unit, okay, or point which comes under recording of business transactions is voucher and transaction. Second is recording of transactions, and third is bank reconciliation statement. So what do you mean by voucher and transaction? Voucher is what? Voucher is a source document. Okay, whenever you go to a shop to purchase anything, okay, a document, a source document is given. Okay, so that is called voucher, where the prices of goods, quantity of goods are mentioned. Okay, rates of GST, CGST, okay, SGST are mentioned. So that is voucher. So seeing that voucher, the accountant in a business organization records the transaction in the books of account. Okay, so it can be journal, it can be ledger. Okay, from journal, ledger posting is done. Okay, so voucher is what? It is origin of transactions. Okay, it is a document, okay, from where, okay, the origin of transactions can be seen. Okay, the source document, this is a source document. Okay, from there only the transactions are recorded in the books of account. Okay, like sun, okay, sun is the source of solar energy for us, yes or no? Similarly, voucher is the source document. By seeing the voucher, the transactions are recorded in the books of accounts. Firstly journal, then ledger posting is done, then trial balance is prepared, okay, then trading account is prepared, profit and loss account is prepared, profit and loss appropriation account is prepared, balance sheet is prepared, all the financial statements are prepared only by seeing that source document, that is voucher. Okay, so preparation of vouchers is done. So preparation of voucher will be done by whom? By the shopkeeper. Okay, the person who is selling the item or commodity. Got it? Then what is the next point? Rules of debit and credit, English and American approach. Okay, so you have to know the rules of debit and credit. This is a very important thing, okay, in accountancy. Okay, you have to know it from HS first year classes, those who have taken commerce. Okay, rules of debit and credit. There is English approach, there is American approach. So I will discuss one by one. And I have made videos also. You can see, you can check my earlier videos. Okay, where I have given, okay, the rules of debit and credit in English approach as well as an American approach. Okay, then also I will discuss, okay, one by one again. Got it? Then you have accounting equation. Okay, you have to do accounting equation. Accounting equation means, what is the equation? Assets equals to liabilities plus capital. Okay, that is the equation. So you have to know that equation as well as you have to do sums on accounting equation. Now what is the second point? Recording of transactions. So as we all know that voucher is the source document. From the source document, the accountant records the transaction in the journal. Then from journal, ledger posting is done. Okay, trial balance is prepared. PL, trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet is prepared. Okay, so see here, books of original entry, journal, ledger, posting from journal. Okay, then you see balancing of accounts. Okay, so ledger posting you have to do. Okay, you have to know how to prepare trial balance. Okay, then you see, okay, special purpose books. Special purpose books are what? Cash book. Cash book means, okay, it can be single column, it can be double column, it can be triple column. So single column cash book means it will contain only the cash column. Double column cash book means it will contain cash and bank column. Okay, triple column cash book means it will contain cash, bank and discount column. Okay, so you have three books, okay, under cash book. One is single column cash book, double column cash book and triple column cash book. Got it? Then you have petty cash book also. So what we record in petty cash book? All small expenses like rickshaw fares, then bus fare, okay, small miscellaneous expenses we record in petty cash book. Okay. Then you have purchase book. Okay. What do we record in purchase book? We record all credit purchase of goods. Okay. If a business organization purchases, okay, goods, okay, in which the business deals in on credit, okay, so that will be recorded in the purchase day book. Then you have sales day book. Okay, it will record, okay, sales day book will record all credit sale of goods. If a business organization makes credit sale of goods, okay, you know what is cash sale of goods, what is credit sale of goods. Okay, so if a business organization makes credit sale of goods, that is recorded in the sales day book. Okay, cash sale means immediately the cash will be received by the seller. Credit sale means the seller will receive the cash, okay, at a future date. Got it? Then you have purchase return book. What do you mean by purchase return book? Suppose a business organization has purchased goods, okay, which is in requirement, okay, for his business. Now some portion of goods found defective, the businessman returns those goods. So that is purchase return book. Then what do you mean by sales return book? Suppose the business organization has sold some goods, okay, and the customers to whom the business has sold the goods has returned the goods to the business again, okay, so because the goods is of defective items, okay, or inferior quality or wrong, okay, wrong order purchased, okay, or placed, okay, so for that reason the customer has returned the goods, okay, to the business organization. So that is what sales return. Okay, so it will be recorded in the sales return book. And then you have journal purpose. So all the transactions, okay, those transactions which cannot be recorded in any other book, cash book, either single column, double column or triple column, okay, then sales day book, purchase day book, sales return book, purchase return book, neither, okay, in none of the books, okay, these transactions can be recorded. Those are recorded in journal proper. I have made videos, okay, on journal proper. You just check out, okay, my earlier videos. Then lastly you have bank reconciliation statement. So what do you mean by bank reconciliation statement? It is a statement which is prepared, okay, when there is a mismatch, okay, there is a mismatch between the amount of balance of cash in hand, okay, in the of the company, okay, in the company statement, okay, and the balance of amount of cash in cash at bank, okay, in the bank statement, okay, there is a mismatch, there is a difference between company's balance sheet and bank's statement, that is bank's passbook. There is a difference, okay, so for that reason bank reconciliation statement is prepared, okay, in order to settle that difference, okay. So that is, okay, here in point number 3 you will come to learn, okay, the meaning, needs and preparation, okay, meaning, needs and preparation of bank reconciliation statement. So these are the 3 things you are going to learn, okay, in unit number 3, recording of business transactions, okay, in your HS first year classes, okay. So many videos I have made previously, okay, when I not I was not using any whiteboard. Okay, I was making videos in copies and pens. Okay, so there I have made videos of sales day book, purchase day book, then journal proper, then cash book, single column, double column, triple column. Okay, journal I have explained what is ledger posting. Okay, then most probably I have done sums on bank reconciliation statement also. Okay, then okay, accounting question I have done. Then rules of debit and credit, English and American approach I have done. Okay, I have made videos. You can just check out those videos, okay, in my channel. Okay, you will come to know. Okay, then also I will do sums. Okay, taking these 3 points. Okay, anything extra I find, okay, I will try to explain you. Okay, I will try to explain you. Then journal. Okay, journalizing, many journals you have to learn. Okay, so those you have to, okay, you have to know. Got it? So thank you for today, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. There are very many new viewers, but you are not subscribing to my channel. I don't know why. Okay, please subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Thank you for today.